the 2012 Toyota Sienna LE. Powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle, with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 23 miles per gallon. This Toyota features side airbags, power door locks, and rear spoiler. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include Bluetooth wireless, third door, satellite radio, backup camera, and third-row seating.
This is a one-owner
Give us a
vehicle
call
with
to
a
schedule
Carfax
your
Vehicle
test
History
drive
Report.
today.
Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax" at Lakeside Toyota, a Carfax Advantage dealer.